Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 83 Glass. Today we're in Monmouth Beach, New Jersey. Just completed this beautiful neo-angle steam seal enclosure. Humongous panel, about 60 some odd inches wide by 90 inches tall. Center mounted door, hinged right onto what makes this shower unique is this new transom. Now, traditionally you'll see on the hundreds of videos that I post online that you guys probably never seen before, most transoms pivot this way. It's usually above the door, or sometimes we can put it inside the panel. So instead, with the work of our designer and the designer of the client, we decided to come up with this cool idea. So instead of pivoting it the other way, this way we have another little mini door. All right. So I guess, I guess if the mailman comes into the bathroom and showering, you can just slip the mail right there, close the door, and there you go. So the reason for this transom is, of course, to allow ventilation without leaving the door open, so that all that moist air and humidity comes out that transom and reaches, I don't know, somewhere behind me, the vent. All right. And as usual, we did a double acting door. Everything here is in brushed nickel finish, and all the glass here used is 1/2 inch low iron glass with shower guard coating. All right. So, you know what? Why don't we do a little quick sound test here before I do my really cool exit? Let's see how the acoustics are. Amy, see? So the client comes in, you can push this guy out, boom, let all that hot air just come out through there without having to rely on the door. It sounds pretty cool in here. All right. And there it is. So, if you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call at 88-83 Glass or visit our website, interglassstores.com. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a bear spider will crawl on your face.